Whenever a whole bunch of YouTubers are together in one place, awesome and terrible things occur. And it just so happens that GoldRush Rally is a phenomenal way to put together these exact circumstances. We managed to get ourselves on GoldRush Rally 2026, and it's going to be epic. We are in Nashville for GoldRush Rally, and the 599 is finally fixed. If you guys watched the last video, if you missed it right here, we spent way too much time getting this car fixed because we managed to snap shift cables in Idaho, and we had to spend a lot of hours and effort getting this thing ready to go. But we have got it ready to go. We are on our way over to the registration for GoldRush. We gotta go get some fuel, get ourselves set up for the day, because this is gonna be epic.
Rapping cause lieutenant, I'ma get it, that's in general. City red and blues, know these not political. Spirit kinda done, so my nigga, I don't feel. I've been prayed up, it's ironic I killed. Went from taking buses to the buses, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got it still drip.
We made it to where we needed to make it to. Just kind of wild, because it's been a very crazy last couple days. A whole bunch of cool cars and a whole bunch of friends. Saw Marcos with the McLaren GT. We saw Damon's 720 GTR ride, and we'll have to say hi to him in a bit. Got Josh, Kyle's cameraman, and Kyle's Huracan right there. Rob made it with his F430 Scuderia, and Christian made it with his F430 Spider. Met another gentleman named Dean that's from Calgary as well with his F12. I cannot overstate how happy I am that we made it here and that the car's in one piece. The real question is, we know that this guy is over here on the phone with the shop about the F12. What's the best?
Well, I know because just knowing inside, I know it needs a tune.
Yeah.
I'm not going to disclose the other things that I may or may not know is going on with it.
All right, Jake. You look really sad.
I'm not sad, just really confused. Cylinder 1, contribution / balance.
Koenigsegg, Valhalla. There's going to be a lot of really crazy cars to be seen over the next week and a lot of cool adventures, and I'm here for it. We just pop back down to the parkade, specifically to take a peek at this. It would appear that I have got great and portable timing.
We were just about to get started on this thing.
But the 599 is all naked again. And now, it's about to look like that, and everything else in here. I'm really pumped because I think it is going to look super freaking cool. All right, ladies and gents, the car is livery. This is one of those moments that you realize that we're here doing the thing, and that's really cool because we shouldn't be able to, but we are. And that's really cool.
We're now off to a little car meet at In-N-Out. So we were at In-N-Out last night, and then now we're headed again, part 2. And there's a little car meet from 7 to 9. Jake and Remy shouted out on their stories, so it should be pretty gnarly.
It's melanin is criminal. Rapping cause lieutenant, I'ma get it, that's in general. City red and blues, know these not political. Spirit kinda done, so my nigga, I don't feel. I've been prayed up, it's ironic I killed. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got it still drip. Spirit kinda done, so my nigga, I don't feel. I've been prayed up, it's ironic how I killed. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got it still drip. In a row, yeah I said it. Back the hell and Damon, throw they energy synthetic. I've been swerving like it's 10 to 4. Like where you headed, I just had to let some people go. I don't regret it, look, everybody selling dreams, wonder why they selling that. First I had some corporate dreams, but then I saw they selling black. Everything is everything, so where the money at?
Yeah, catch a LA vibe, California vibe, ducking homicide, the whole on the slide. I never testified, no crooked crucified. I see coding in my eye, my music televised.
Look at the drive-thru.
This is nuts. Insane.
Passenger door really isn't ideal for this one. Okay. Just straight vertical.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. Damn.
Simple.
Okay, bro. I think you just blew out the suspension, dude.
That was
You're
a
gonna
flop.
need a rebuild. You're gonna need a rebuild.
I could tell. That was some leg.
Precision Auto Works, which is the detailer for Lake Garage, is an absolute Jew. Is giving the 599 a good clean. Because this car has not seen a car wash or any form of cleaning really since it was back in Calgary, which is a drive to Idaho, a ship across the country, and driving in the rain in Nashville again. So, shout out, because the 599 is gonna look better. Most cars look already dirty. 599 looks so bad because it's chrome gold. Everything shows, which is quite ridiculous. It's pretty cool. A pop-up needed in it. Police are here. It is pretty funny and pretty wild because that car, everything all sounds ridiculous. The pops and bangs when this group of cars rolls down the highway is so over the top. It's fun, but it is so over the top. It's stuff that I never imagined would really be possible, you know? A couple years ago, not even a couple years ago, like a year and a half ago, I hadn't even imagined that buying my first supercar would be possible. And then with a lot of luck, hard work, and pushing in the right direction, we managed to get ourselves a 650S. And the amount of things that have changed since then is ridiculous. And I don't know, it's one of those things that it's really hard to purport through camera, but the amount of work and grinding behind the scenes, like even fixing the 599, that's something we didn't have the budget for this time around, to pay a shop to deal with that problem for the expense that would be, or to fly art in, or whatever else. And to be able to say that we found a solution and pulled off a job that shouldn't have really been possible feels really cool. Because we have had to work really hard to get here. Even just getting the car down here and to be able to run and drive for GoldRush was ridiculous. Like the amount of work, the amount of hours between rebuilding that car originally, along with all of the trials and tribulations we've seen since then, it's been a lot. And I'm really grateful we're here, and I'm just kind of soaking it in. Because the weather is nice. Cars are nice, the people are awesome, and GoldRush is gonna be such a blast.
This is draft day. I hear talking what the bag say. Pockets hella flat. I told myself this is the last day. Getting tired of walking around depressing with a sad face. Shawty hella fun. Now I smash things. I want all the pleasure 'cause I really had pain. Walking through the pressure, that's my mantra like my bottom. 'Cause I know it's just a bad game. Tell them this is draft day. In my pockets.
Locked in, baby. Ferrari does seem to be doing very well.
It's pretty great, bro. You've been locked in the last little while, just cutting up, you know? At the speed limit, just driving like a professional. It's pretty good, bro.
Tell them this is draft day. In my pockets, tell them folks this is my last day. Wait, tried to tell them this is draft day. No more walk around depressing with a sad face.
Welcome to GoldRush Day 1, baby. We're headed to Nashville Speedway, I believe. Jake and Luke are in front of us in the Viper and the 600 LT. Remmy and the others are behind us. So to kick off GoldRush.
Yeah, catch a LA vibe, California vibe, ducking homicide. La homie wanna slide, I never testified. Your crew get crucified.
Surprised at how slow the people are rolling in, to be honest with you, because we leave here still an hour and a half, but we're supposed to be leaving here at 10 sharp. It's approximately 8:30, and although there's a handful of people here for GoldRush, there's only a handful of people here for GoldRush. And that's probably the loudest blower I ever heard in my life.
We're side questing the confetti car.
These are freaking nice. The pink ones are. Dude, they look awful too. Oh, those are bad. They're small. it's like herpes. Once you get it, you can't get rid of it. It goes away.
Congrats, Jake.
You spent like $200 on poppers. I spent like 80, dude. I used points.
Bro, is he negotiating right now? Is he negotiating right now? It's crazy.
Oh, dude.
He was like, please don't pop for me, man. Listen, I'll give you a hand. All right. Oh, look at the... Oh, the purple actually, it gives us some color.
It does. It's a little nice contrast.
You ready, boy? It'll be a good day.
You ready?
Oh, I'm ready, baby. We're completing this bingo card today.
Today? Today, bro?
Today.
What? Pretty crazy amount of attention as a start. So we'll see where this goes. It's gonna be great. We're all pretty excited. It is hot as heck.
Dude, we are not built for this shit. 35 Celsius.
35.
And humid as hell.
The humidity is 82% here.
Yeah.
82%.
So it's like, it's the humidity that
We're
kills
hot.
you.
We're hot.
It's not the, yeah, it's nothing else.
Hey! Hell yeah. All right, boy, let's go.
Holy.
I'm a soldier, motherfucker, and I put that on my mama and them. Heard them talking reckless, they don't really want a pot of them. Tell them wakey, wakey when I drop another bomb again.
Alright, well, Sean's inside getting water, and God knows what else. But fuel stop, number 1, underway, which we kind of need a fuel to start with, so it's a little bit of a cheater. But we are officially on the road.
I'm like Daniel when the lions den. They can burn the city, but still be reppin' bros. I ain't known to come up little, I'm a professional. Walk into the building, do my shit, and grab a check and go. Step back, hell is
Sometimes you just go in and, a bang!
Tell them no, how you supposed to win when it's melanin is criminal. Rapping cause lieutenant, I'ma get it, that's a general. City ready, went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand.
Like, we go before, had to go from here and then slam it and then pull it down, whereas now I'm in 5th, and all we do is just a nice little 6th. Way better. Way, way, way better.
That shit was zesty, I'm not gonna lie.
At this point, I don't give a shit. You call it whatever it is. The fact that this is working like it's supposed to be makes me so happy.
I've been prayed up, it's ironic how it kills you. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got a steel grip. Spirit kinda numb, so I don't feel shit. I've been prayed up, it's ironic how it kills you.
Insane. Look at that, dude. That's next. Bro, you're a dad. You gotta get this stuff, bro. You gotta understand this.
You gotta get on that.
I don't even know if have you ever touched a lawnmower?
Oh yeah. Never to that degree though.
You never.
You know what? I shouldn't say that. Once. My lawn in Bashaw looked like this shit once.
The one time you mowed it?
No, the one time I cared. I mowed it plenty of times after that, but it was like the first time that I actually like put in the time, effort, and TLC. To go and make it really nice and stripy.
We're now well in the depths of Kentucky forest. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Everything's gone smooth so far, so no incidents, nothing like that. It's been great. The car's been acting happy and healthy, knocked on wood. And yeah, we're going for lunch here shortly in a town somewhere in the middle of Kentucky. But there's not much here besides trees and houses, pretty much.
Bible in my hand, but my pocket got a steel grip. Spirit kinda numb, so I don't feel shit. I've been prayed up, it's ironic how it kills you. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got a steel grip. Spirit kinda numb, so I don't feel shit. I've been prayed up, it's ironic how it kills you. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got a steel grip. Spirit kinda numb, so I don't feel shit. I've been prayed up, it's ironic how it kills you. Went from taking buses to the buses, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, still grip. Spirit kinda numb, so I don't feel shit. I've been prayed up, it's ironic how it kills you. Went from taking buses to the buses, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand.
Bro, this guy's got a star on his back. Look at that.
Windows up every time you
star on your back, big dog.
To a degree, as far as the eye can see. People, as far as the eye can see. This is sick. Pretty damn impressive for a car that's supposed to be all-wheel drive.
Exactly. Hey, you should have been up next. You could have pulled it off.
Real vroom at Foria.
Bro, where are we right now? This shit's a movie, dude. Somewhere in Kentucky. That sounds like a saying. What the hell? What the helly? Oh my god. Woo! It only took us 42,000 minutes too long to get food, bro.
Yeah.
Straight up, bro. Ah, your knob is hot as hell. Oh, this guy's dropping the top. Sick. Okay, bro, time to go, Ski. We got some. Yeah, I know.
I've been prayed up, it's ironic how I killed you. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got a steel grip. Feel kinda numb, so my.
And also, we made a cool mile marker. It's not cool if you're not us or you're this guy, but there's another Ferrari that is having issues. So we've at least, I don't know, it says there's a blue F8 on the shoulder because it blew a charge pipe or something associated. So. So at least we're not the first Ferrari broke.
Big ass bridge, keep going, bro. Big ass bridge. Big ass bridge. Oh my god. It's ironic how I killed you. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got a steel grip. Spirit kinda numb, so I don't feel shit. I've been prayed up, it's ironic how I killed you. Went from taking buses to them busing, that's a field trip. Bible in my hand, but my pocket got a steel grip. Spirit kinda numb, so my.
It doesn't look too bad down here, honestly. Surprisingly, it's not too sketchy looking down here.
I've been prayed up, it's ironic how I killed you.
Not bad. Not bad. Wine. Just because me and Jeremy don't drink. A bathroom. Toilets. Maybe been used. Maybe. Beds. Jeremy's already sleeping. We got the Love. Love. We got faces up on the wall. Street down there to drive on.
It's pretty good. 2 days of Gold Rush down. We've got a lot of shenanigans yet to come. This has been very cool and is only going to get better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos with this, because it is going to be epic. We'll see you guys next time.